Here we are over in Knutsford this morning. Big installation of a Starlink for a huge newly built house. Here we've installed a 12 by 12 galvanised bracket onto the customer's fence as he wanted. He did ideally want it on that apex there, however we advised him it would not work due to that tree there. He didn't want it anywhere else on his house, as his plant room is literally in that corner there. So we've installed it on his fence, 12 by 12 galvanised bracket, 2.5 foot mast, absolutely nothing in its way. Wired down along the edge of that fence, through some conduit. His lads dug a hole for us, right the way round into that box there, which we've then pulled through right the way along into this box here. We then come from that box into that box there, and from there underneath and into the plant room there, where sits his comms room with multiple Ethernet cables which distribute all throughout his property. This is Aaron and Phil, professional Starlink installation.